Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. Here we have NASCAR Authentics, but this is the 2020 Wave 2 of the NASCAR 187 Diecast. We have Jimmie Johnson's 2020 cars. His white Ally version and his Darlington Throwback version. On the back are both different versions of the 48, Hendrick Motorsports, and his signature. Let's get him out of the box. Here are both 48s. So as you know, his tires are plastic and the body is made of metal. So here is Jimmie Johnson's Ally car. So this is his white version of his Ally car. And in the 2020 season, he started out with black and then he switched it to white and then silver for his final time in NASCAR, which is his last race. So always there's the yellow 48, the purple Ally logo with pink. Oh, oops. Yeah, and usually a white body, but usually there's black and even a white spoiler, actually. And obviously the back is purple instead of black. A white A on the side with Ally, a purple Ally is on the side. Yeah, usually a purple Ally without the white. And here is his Darlington Throwback car. So his Darlington Throwback is basically 3 7-time champions, which is him, Dale Earnhardt, and Richard Petty. So up top is Richard Petty because of the blue and red car. And on the side is Dale Earnhardt because of the font. And there's 2 different fonts. So on top is Richard Petty's font version, the 48. And the 48 on the side is Dale Earnhardt's number print sign. And it says right here, do it right. And Ally, which is the circle to represent STP. So let's get a 360 view on both cars. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.